Mkwananzi Reaffirms Stance Against Unconstitutional Actions. The 2nd of September 2025, by Innocent Moindisvo Nhira. Harare, the Alternative Citizens spokesperson Promise Mkwananzi, has strongly reaffirmed his movement's stance in defense of the Constitution, following remarks by Mr. Garwi that appeared to advocate for its removal. In a statement, Mkwananzi revealed that his office had received a flood of messages from concerned citizens alarmed by Garwi's comments. Our stance remains consistent. Mr. Garwi lacks the authority to undermine the Constitution, and his statements are unlawful and a direct challenge to the rule of law, he declared. The outspoken spokesperson emphasized that political leaders must put constitutionalism first, warning that any deviation from the rule of law threatens both stability and democracy in Zimbabwe. This is not simply about politics. It is about protecting the rights of citizens and safeguarding the democratic process, he said. Mkwananzi's position has been welcomed by observers who argue that political leaders' words carry weight and must align with the laws and principles that govern the nation. His call reflects a broader concern that reckless rhetoric can erode public trust and trigger instability. As the political climate continues to evolve, the Alternative Citizens spokesperson urged citizens to remain vigilant and hold leaders accountable. His stance sends a clear message that attempts to undermine the Constitution will not be tolerated. The development underscores the need for responsible leadership and adherence to established processes as Zimbabwe navigates its democratic future.